Traders, how are you? Welcome back. We have hit 5,000 subs. Yeah, we're going to mention it every day because we're happy about this. So yeah, we've hit 5,000 subs, guys. First of all, a big thank you to everyone who's supported us, who's joined us, who watches the vids and the content over the last couple of years. We really appreciate it. And as a thank you, guys, we are giving you 50% off our yearly VIP Discord, guys. So check it out. You do need to join the free Discord first, but then you can get 50% off yearly VIP Discord. Check it out. Thanks for your support. Right. Back to today. Today is Wednesday, the 25th of October, and we are going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So our first trade idea was this. It was euro against the US dollar, and we were looking to buy it. Why were we looking to buy it? Well, price had, kept coming down, and then this gray zone in here, yeah, is an important weekly support level. And price never broke it. Instead, it started to build up in structure. Yeah, we're starting to get higher lows, higher highs. That is the pure definition of an uptrend. Simple as that, guys. So we was in an uptrend and we had this big bullish candle. Okay. But then yesterday, guys, look, you can see this large bearish candle. And all this was a mixture of worse than expected euro news and better than expected US dollar news. And that led to euro US dollar coming down, guys. It was simple as that. But let's take a look on the H4. So, on the H4, guys, I was really interested when price started coming into here, especially when it started coming down to this moving average 20. We were getting such value in here. But, look at those H4 candles. Yeah, it's just bearish, bearish, bearish. And that was just bad PMI data. Yeah, and it just drove it down. And then to cement this selling pressure, we also got better than expected US PMI data, which just drove it down further. So for that reason, guys, just on the basis of bad news, which led to very bearish candles, we just couldn't trade this, guys. Yeah, so didn't have a trade on euro US dollar. And not looking to trade it today. I mean, just go back to the day chart. That is quite a bearish daily candle. All right. So yeah, not interested in this today either. Next trade from yesterday was pound Canadian dollar. Okay, so again, guys, if we take a look at why we were trying to buy it, and it's as simple as this, guys. So price was in a downtrend, come back up. Yeah, it was thinking potentially here it was still in a downtrend, which it was, lower lows, but then price just shot back up. And we've seen a bit of weakness in the Canadian dollar. And it broke these highs. Okay, and we had a nice bullish candle that broke these highs. We was above the moving average 20, and we had some room to move into. Yeah, there was reasons to like this trade. If we go down to the H4 now, I quite like this level now. Yeah, this has obviously happened while I've been, catching my beauty sleep, which I desperately need. Maybe a little bit of dribbling and snoring, but I like this level now. Yeah, I like this as a trade potentially now. But again, we had this big sell-off because, again, we had some okay employment numbers coming out from the pound, but then we also had bad pound UK, PMI numbers. And that just drove price down. And then this kind of actions happened while I've been asleep. So, this could be a nice level, guys. All right, so I'll keep an eye out for this. This could potentially be a trade, because if you look back at the day chart, it is a bearish candle, but it's not super bearish. And if we go back to the H4, yeah, it's at a really nice level. The thing we have to be careful with today, though, guys, is Canadian dollar interest rate decision. So, yeah, but didn't get into it yesterday because, again, just selling pressure. So those were the two trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, yesterday's trade ideas, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. We would love to have you. Smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if you could also smash the like button, guys, it really helps support the channel. Thank you very much. And speaking of supporting the channel, we have made it to 5,000 subs. Woohoo! Yeah, so thank you guys for supporting us over the last couple of years or so. We really appreciate, you watching the live streams, the analysis, and being part of our journey. So thank you very much, guys. And as a thank you, we are giving 50% off our yearly VIP Discord, guys. And this is running for 5 days. It's all about the fives, yeah? 50% off, running for 5 days because we hit 5,000 subs. So yeah, check it all out, guys. And let me just mention how to do it. So first of all, we have a free Discord channel. It's free. So come join it, guys. We've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge. We got indicators, books, useful links, loads of cool things, guys. You need to join the free Discord first. Then we have the VIP Discord. Okay, so what do you get in the VIP Discord? You get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you need help with anything. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. I give you exclusive content every single week. Yeah, you get access to a performance coach should you need it. And we're currently working on a new strategy as well, which you can use yourself. So there's loads of value in there, guys. And like I say, we're giving 50% off our yearly VIP Discord. It'll take you about a year to get through all the tutorials in there. So guys, that's VIP. We also do a mentorship program. So if you'd like to read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and I'll send you the details of the mentorship program where we do one-on-one coaching. Yeah, the email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you watch the live stream, you watch the analysis vids every day and you would like to support the channel, then you can, guys. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got different tiers. We've got supporter, we've got gold, and we've got legend. And each one has different perks, guys. All right, so come check that out as well. All of this information is in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream tonight, 8 a.m. I say tonight, it depends where you're from. 8 a.m. New York EST time. Come join us for that, guys. See you then. Right, let's focus on trades for Wednesday the 25th of October. So the first trade we're looking at is selling Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Why, I hear you cry? Well, let me answer. So we were in an uptrend. Okay, and now, you know, we have had a bit of sideways action. Okay, but now, you know, the candles are still bearish. All right, and we're below, you know, and the idea is to come back down to here. Yeah. And remember, guys, this is a weekly resistance level here as well. Yeah, we're below the moving average 20. These are all the reasons I look at, guys, to take a trade. And that is your job as a trader. Find reasons to enter. So for all of these reasons, structurally, I like the candlesticks. You can tell sellers, you know, even with these green candles, you've got top wicks, sellers are more dominant. And yesterday we got this bearish candle. What I'd like to have seen is this bearish candle break these lows, but this wick closed inside. But I still like the structure and the fact we're below the moving average 20 and the fact we've got bearish candles and the fact we've got room to move into and the fact we're coming off weekly resistance. So lots of reasons. Also, what I do like, guys, is on the H4. Yeah, because on the daily, this level didn't break. Okay, but on the H4, you can see it's clearly broke. The thing we do need to be careful of with Canadian yen is that we have CAD interest rate decision coming out later on. So hopefully this, kind of makes its move before then. All right, we've got a fair few hours before it happens. So the trade idea, yeah, this is the H4, guys. And I've adjusted my grey zones. But to be honest with you, I mean, look at this price action. Yeah, I mean, it's just been disgusting in here. And I've been in this trade for about 12 years now. I'm exaggerating, obviously, but, I've been in this trade a long time, guys, and I'm finally seeing it start to break down. Okay, and I've just put this grey zone through here because it just touches a lot of this price action that happened even here. So that's my first grey zone. So what we want to see is price come into this grey zone, which it already has. And we want to see a bearish reaction, okay? And then we can start selling this pair, okay? If it wants to come up higher, then it could, price may want to get back up to these highs here, yeah? And again, we get a bearish reaction, and then we can start selling this as well. All right, guys, so that's what we're looking with Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's see on the H1 if we've had that bearish reaction. Yeah, we have had this candle. We would all be in bed. We would all be snoring and dribbling. Paint such a lovely picture, I know. So that would have been, I think that would have been bearish enough for me. But now it's come down. Let's see if we can get another push back up to here and a bearish reaction. So CAD yen is the first trade idea. The second trade idea for today is euro pound. So if we look at the day chart and try to understand why. First and foremost, guys, this was a weekly level here. And this candle broke that level. All right. And also, if we take a quick look at the weekly chart, confirmed that it is broken on the weekly chart. Yeah, so you can see this candle, the body of this has just broken these highs. Only just, but that is a break. And you can see on the weekly chart, we're getting this, this push higher. We're in an uptrend, basically. If we go back to the day chart, we're also in an uptrend. Okay. It's kind of like this, guys, really, is the structure. And then yesterday, price come down to a really nice level, this level here, and we got a bullish reaction. Yeah, you can see with this wick here. So, and yeah, look, I haven't put a target in, guys. I'll be thinking of, yeah, I'll go back up to the highs here, guys, to start with. So yeah, we've got a bullish reaction yesterday, and we want to take price higher. If we go to the H4 now, we are clearly in a H4 downtrend. So price might want to do this. Yeah, price might want to come back down to these last lows. Yeah, and then this for me is a really nice area for potential buys. If we get a bullish reaction here, and that could be a H1 and or a H4 bullish candle, we can start buying from this level, with a view to taking price back up to here. Okay. Alternatively, and you can probably see this a bit better on the H1, we might want to bounce off this area here because you can see we've had this real bullish push up and we're above the, H1 moving average 20 now. Yeah. And you can see price reacted in here previously. So price might just want to come back to here and then we get a bullish reaction and we can start buying this pair. That might happen, but I really like this level. Okay. So we'll see what happens, guys. And like I said, I'll put all my trade ideas in the VIP Discord channel. So yeah, come join it. 50% off because we've got 5,000 subs. Yeah, so yeah, guys, I've got one more thing to show you. Before I do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you. Also smash the like button, guys. Also, don't forget the 50% off yearly VIP Discord because we've hit 5,000 subs. Yeah, don't forget the free Discord, VIP Discord, the mentorship program, and the Simply Forex YouTube membership. All of these things are in the video description. The last one I'm looking at, we've seen some crazy Euro Aussie dollar strength. Yeah, sorry, we've seen some crazy Aussie dollar strength because we had some very good CPI figures earlier. But if we look at Euro Aussie dollar, you know, this has pushed Euro Aussie dollar, you know, back down to a very nice level. Not only do we have this moving average 20, but we're back at the last lows here at an area of support. You know, the problem is we've had such a bearish reaction, but if we start getting a bounce off of this level, then this could be a trade idea. If we look at the H4, again, it's difficult to start buying that H4 candle. But let's see what happens with this H4, because like I say, guys, it's at a very nice support level. So we'll keep an eye on that today as well. All right, guys, so those are the trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 25th of October. So as you can see, guys, I explained that good CPI data coming out of Australia, you know, better than expected. And we've seen some real strength in the Aussie dollar as a result. So, you know, that helps explain that. At 9 a.m., we also have news. I think this IFO business climate is an important piece of data, along with these other pieces of data as well. So at 9 o'clock, London GMT, coming out of the euro, we've got some important data. This could push the euro around. After that, guys, at 1 o'clock London GMT, the next important piece of news is this: building permits coming out of the US. So yeah, that could move any US dollar pairs. 3 o'clock, we've got loads of important data, guys. So 3 o'clock, we've got new home sales coming out of the US, but also the big daddy news, yeah, interest rate decisions. They really make markets go buck wild, and especially for the Canadian dollar, because we have the Canadian Bank of Canada interest rate decision, yeah, along with the statement, policy report, etc. So, you know, that's really going to move any CAD pair. You do not need me to tell you that. After that, guys, 30 minutes later, we've also got crude oil inventory. So this can also impact the Canadian dollar. So, you know, I'm in that CAD yen trade. So I'm going to be very wary of this, guys. But yeah, crude oil inventories, this could affect the US, Canadian dollar, and obviously oil. And then after that, guys, well, this is also important. This is not a 2-star rating. So this Bank of Canada press conference. So they discuss how they arrived at the interest rate decision, you know, projections, etc. That is also very important. Okay, so this press conference can move the Canadian dollar about as well. After that, guys, there's more news today. Yeah, at 9:35 London GMT, we've got Fed Chair Powell speaking, and when that dude speaks, you know, the markets listen. So quite a busy news day today, guys, you know, so tread lightly, take that into consideration if you're in any of those trades. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid, guys. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. We hit 5,000 subs, 50% off yearly VIP Discord. Check it out, and I'll see you later, guys.